In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, tasks, and workflows, and templates make it even easier to get started. Whether you're organizing a personal to-do list, planning a work project, or managing an HR process, Trello templates save you time by providing pre-designed boards tailored to your needs. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to find, customize, and create your own templates in Trello. Let's dive in. First, start by opening Trello. Once you're on the main page, click the Trello logo in the upper left corner. This will take you to the home area where you can access all the key features of Trello. From here, look for the Templates button. Click on it to open the template gallery. Now the gallery is your one-stop shop for inspiration. You can browse through a variety of categories, such as project management, personal, and HR. Take your time exploring to find a template that fits your needs. Once you find one that looks promising, click on it to open a full preview. This preview allows you to review the board's layout, including its lists, example cards, and overall structure. If the template looks like a good fit, click the Use Template button. This will allow you to create your own board based on that template. Next, you'll need to give your new board a clear and descriptive name. Think of something that reflects the purpose of the board, like marketing plan or weekly tasks. After naming your board, select the workspace where it belongs. If you're part of a team, make sure to choose the correct workspace so everyone can access it. When you're ready, click Create and Trello will generate your own copy of the template. Now that your board is set up, it's time to customize it for your specific needs. Start by renaming the lists on the board. For example, you might change them to something like To Do, Doing, and Done to match your workflow. If there are any lists that don't apply to your project, feel free to remove them. You can also add new lists if needed. Once your lists are in place, you can begin adding cards for tasks you know you'll need to complete. These cards represent individual items or steps in your workflow. Click on a card to open it, and then edit its details to customize it further. You can add descriptions, attach files, and set due dates to keep everything organized. If you find yourself creating similar cards repeatedly, you can save time by turning an existing card into a template. To do this, open the card you want to save as a template, scroll down to the Actions section, and click on Make Template. Once you see the green check mark, the card is officially a template and ready for reuse. Using a card template is simple. Open the template card and click Create Card from Template to generate a new card with the same structure. Alternatively, you can click Create from Template at the bottom of any list to make a new card directly from your saved template. When creating a new card, give it a name and select which elements to include, such as descriptions, checklists, or members. To manage your workflow, you can drag and drop cards between lists as tasks progress. For example, move a card from To Do to Doing when you start working on it, and then to Done when it's complete. You can also open any card at any time to update details, such as adding a checklist, setting a due date, or assigning labels for easy categorization. Collaboration is another key feature of Trello. You can invite teammates to your board and assign them to specific cards to ensure everyone knows what they're responsible for. This makes it easy to work together and stay on the same page. Finally, if you've created a board layout that works perfectly for your team, you can save it as a new template for future use. Keep in mind that saving a board as a template is a premium feature, so you may need a Trello subscription to access this functionality. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to find, customize, and use Trello templates to streamline your workflows and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.